Hi guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new extra large wool experiment. I have a pillow here without a case, and I will try to crochet all the way around it. I have my extra large wool here, maybe you know from my one of my last videos. It's a super fluffy yarn, and I have my size 25 crocheting hook here. I have, I actually rewound this. I have 250 grams of this. And I have 2 of these balls of yarn. Depending on how much I actually need, I will try to use only one, but I think I'll need a little more. Okay, so this is really super big. And I will start here with some chain stitches that will cover the whole width of the pillow. And yeah, let's get started here with some chain stitches. Okay, just pull it tight here, and then we already have a chain stitch here, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see here that it's kind of hard for me to hold the thread on my hand, so I'm kind of just using my hand to kind of wrap it around the hook. Okay, 7. I think this is not enough yet. It'll be about 10 maybe in the width. 8, 9, 10. So I think this looks pretty good. It's pretty good length, and yeah, it just fits all the way across. Then we will take 1 chain stitch here for height, and then we will start crocheting backwards in single crochets. Okay, so pull the thread through, and then pull it through both loops on the hook. Pull through and through both. And then again. Okay, pull through. And you can see this is pretty quickly growing quite a lot. Okay, pull through again. Then soon we are at the end, or at the beginning, depending. There's not that many stitches here that I have to do. Okay, then yeah, this will be kind of what it's going to look like. And then here we are at the last one for this row. Okay, so this is the last stitch. We have the beginning thread here, and I will crochet into that stitch here again. Okay, and kind of go over that edge. And then on the back side, here on the bottom, I'll go in again, and we'll kind of crochet around that side also. And then kind of we have a front and a back side for the pillow. And then I can just continue crocheting this in rounds. Okay, so you can see I'm just going into the base here. Okay, so here you can kind of go in with the fingers and kind of like pull it apart. Yeah. All right. And then here we have the chain stitch into the very last one. I will add another one just to have the sides of the pillow covered. And then we will continue crocheting without any increases, just in rounds, okay? So this is the base. And if I continue crocheting here without any increases, Okay, so just go into here and I'll do my single crochets. And then we're kind of making this little like cave here. And then that's where the pillow will go into later. But before that, we will continue doing this all the way around. Around the base. Okay, so you can already see it here emerging pretty well where the pillow goes into later. Okay, I'm going to take some more wool and then I will just continue with my single crochets always into the stitches. And here we are with my update. So after one ball of yarn, this is what it looks like. We have this opening here that just happened because I didn't add any more increases. And then here we have always an extra stitch on the outside, so just we have, you know, the sides covered. So let's see what it looks like when we put the pillow inside. Okay. So we have about the pillow covered for now. We have the same length here still, just a little less, maybe a little less than half, but I think this will go, you know, pretty well. I think this looks really, really nice from the pattern. I think I like the colors a lot. I'm going to continue crocheting this. I'll just, add the next ball of yarn here. I'll just knot it in. And it actually holds really well just by itself. Okay, so I just added my new ball of yarn, but that's not a problem because it's going to be on the inside of the pillow. Okay, so let's continue crocheting with the pattern. Alright guys, so here's my new update. It's not an exact square. It's just a little longer here in the width than it's high, than it's tall, but I don't have enough wool to be just fully done. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to close it up, and obviously don't forget to put the pillow inside first. Okay, so I'm taking the crocheting hook out. And so what you can definitely see here now is that it's really nice and dense. You can't really see the white at all. And okay, so pillow is inside. You can, you know, kind of just squeeze it in. And now I will close it up. All right, so take my crocheting hook, put it back in there. And we have, this is my rest of the wool, but it's unfortunately not enough to do another whole row and then also crochet it shut. And so I'm gonna take this over here. And okay, so now we pull it through here, through both sides. And then here, the next one, through both sides. Okay, wrap it around the hook and pull it through. It feels not really like crocheting, not kind of like as intuitive as usually. but you can see here how I'm closing this up. Alright, and then we are at the very edge here, and let's pull out the thread here, and we can kind of just like weave it through and kind of hide it a little. But in theory, the pillow is done now, and as you can see, this is just really thick. I can put my fingers kind of next to it. This is just really big wool. I think the pillow guide tree has a really nice shape. I can't actually zoom out a little more, but yeah, this is what it looks like. It is not 100% square, but it's, you know, very close. With one more row, it would have been a square. It's super cozy and super soft. I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you back here next time at DIY Ideas. Bye guys!